Once you are happy with everything, click publish to save your changes. Now go back to your homepage and refresh. Wow, look at that, your site is starting to look professional. Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to fully customize your online shop homepage in a super easy way. Now I am building a fish selling website for local customers in Bahrain. But don't worry, even if you are creating a clothing shop, shoe store, beauty products website or anything else, this method works for all types of online shops. You will just change the images and text based on your products. So let's get started. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, open your website, and you will see an option on the top that says Edit with Elementor. Click on that and your home page will open inside the Elementor builder. Once it opens, you will see something like this. Here on the left side, you have all the editing options, and on the right, you can see your home page layout. Let's start with the hero section. That is the big top part of your home page. So click on the fast container. Now look at the left side, click on the style tab, and here you will see the background image. Click on the image, upload your new one image, and the background is updated. Now you will see a small paragraph on the top of the image. Click on it, and on the left sidebar you will see the text. Delete the demo text and type your own text. If the text color is hard to read, just click on Styles tab and go to Text Color and change it to something that looks better. Do the same for the main heading and subheading. Just click, change the text, adjust color, and it will be done. Now click on the button below the text. On the left side in the link box, paste the link to your shop page. To get the link, just open your website, go to the shop page, copy the URL and paste it here. Change the button text to say something like shop now or buy now. Then go to the style tab and update the button background color and text color to match your website theme. And just like that, your hero section is complete. Now scroll down, you will see more sections like product categories or feature products. Let's say here I want to show my best selling seafood. Click on the image, then on the left side upload your own product image. Some demo text or heading may be written below or inside the image. If you need it, update it, or you can simply delete it like I did. Also in the sidebar you can add a link to the product, so when someone clicks on the image it will go directly to your product page. Repeat the same for all the images in this section. Don't worry if you have not added your real products yet, I will show that in upcoming video. Next is the call to action area. Maybe something like get the best deals today. Click the image, upload your own image, click the text, type your own message, click the button, link it to your shop or contact page. Also you can change button style here as well. So next is services section. This section shows what your store offers like free delivery or fresh products. Click the heading, change the title, click the text, add your description, click on the icon image, upload a related image like a fish icon or truck icon depending on your shop type. Customize all items one by one just like we did above. You may see another product section here. Update the heading and text but don't delete the demo products because if you remove them before adding your real products, the layout may be look empty or confusing. So for now just change the text. Once your real products are live, you can update and delete the rest later. Instagram or social media section. You might see an Instagram section with 4 to 6 demo images. You can edit the heading to say follow us on Facebook or see more on Instagram and link it to your actual profile. So when someone clicks, they are redirected to your social media. Click on each image and upload your own image. It does not have to be from Instagram. You can use product or lifestyle images too. If you want to add something else, maybe customer testimonial or a YouTube video, just click on the plus icon and add a new section from Elementor. Once you are happy with everything, click publish to save your changes. Now go back to your home page and refresh. Wow, look at that, your site is starting to look professional. Just follow the same steps whether you are building a fish shop or shoe store or clothing boutique, the method stays the same.